Yep, you're welcome to this segment of the step-by-step tutorial on web development. All right, so the last time we were here, okay, and I told us I'm going to take us on into the real thing, okay, and this is the back end, the WordPress back end, admin back end. All right, so what we're going to do now is to upload a theme that I told on, like I told us the last video. I told us I'm going to introduce us to a theme that we're going to be using, and that's a theme we call Divi theme. You know why I love Divi theme so much is because it has a lot of pre-made layouts, okay, pre-made templates, like pre-made templates that you all you need to do is just grab a template, put it here, create a page, link the page and the templates together, and that's all about it. And the next thing you start doing is to customize the page. All right, and they have inside Divi themes, we have very beautiful, professional and elegant layouts or templates, as you may want to call it. Okay, so quickly, we're not going to say too much stories. Okay, we're going to go into how to now upload the Divi theme, because I told us in the last video that I have it on my system. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to appearance. All right, I'll go to themes. Okay, I just click themes, and now this is our installed themes. Okay, and I'll click add new to add new themes. If we remember what we did in the previous videos. Okay, add new theme. So then we search for a theme, but now we're not going to search for a theme. We are going up here to click upload themes. Okay, because I told us I have it on the system. The same thing you should do when you get hold of the materials. Okay, now choose file. I just click choose file. Now my system, this thing will come out displaying the part of my system. So what where I have the themes and plugins is on my desktop. So I'll click desktop. Automatically it's on desktop already. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will go to I'll look for the themes and plugins. Look at it here. I'll double click, look at themes. I'll click themes too. All right, and I'll look for Divi theme. This is Divi theme, but one thing I want you to note, this Divi theme is unzipped. All right, before you get that one, let's look for the other Divi theme. You see that one will be zipped. Look at it, Divi theme is zipped. So what you should do is you go to the folder that contains the Divi theme, you right click on it, okay, and you now use any software you have to extract files. You just use it to unzip it. Now you can use this extract all, but I love using 7-zip. Okay, this is 7-zip. When you get to 7-zip like this, you now click extract files, and everything will be extracted, and you will see the version of Divi theme without the zip. Okay, look at it, you'll see something like this. Okay, so I'll double click on this, I'll go inside. So you see this list of folders inside that. So the ones that we're going to go and to use is this very one for now. Okay, this is Divi themes to install. All right, so that one, you know, is zipped, but there's no need you unzip it. Okay, so click it, all right, and click open. Right now you find it here. So the next thing you'll do is to click install now. I just clicked install now. So if your network is alright, you will see it will be installing right down here. Okay, let me check this. I don't know what this, so that at least we'll see. Look at it, it's installing. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I will pause this video. When it's done installing, I will continue. Alright, I just unpause the video because it was almost done. Alright, when you check down here, we'll notice that it's done. Okay, look at what's happening. That's why I had to unpause the video, you see, before it finishes. Okay, so right now, like you do to the other, like I told us in the previous video, all you need to do is you come here, you have to activate. After you've installed any theme or plugin, you have to click activate. Now this is the activate button or link. I just clicked it. All right, and Divi theme will be activated. Okay, now it's activated. Look at it here. Divi theme is activated. You can also go ahead to delete these guys, all right, to free up your space. But this is what we're going to be using. All right, so what we're going to do now, after you've installed Divi theme, all right, you check to the left of this panel here, this menu here to the left of the screen. You see that there is Divi here. Divi is now among the options. So what you're going to do now, very quickly, I'll just go through the step. Just watch me. I'll be talking alongside. Okay. What the next thing we're going to do is to go and upload a layout. Like I told us, we have to upload layouts for us to now use it here. Then when we are done with that, we'll create a page and we'll link the layout and the page that we've created. All right, now I'll go here to upload the layout. We'll come here, go to Divi library, click Divi library. All right, now it will bring us to this page. Now we're not going to click add new. We'll go and click import and export. All right, because the layouts are there already. Okay, and we need to import them. Now on this other window that just come up the interface, I'll click import. Okay, click apply layouts default to this website. It means everything that is on that layout, that is on that template, will be imported alongside the layout or the template. Now I'll now click choose file. All right, now it will bring me back here. All right, and here we see layouts here. This folder is for layouts. The same thing that we did for Divi theme. You know, this one is zipped. You have to unzip it the same way we did to this stuff. Okay, look at extract like that. Okay, you now do it and unzip it. So you are going to have this thing as a final, like the result of the unzip action. This is the unzip version of the layout. So what I'll do, I'll double click again. Now we are here. These are all the layouts that we can use, so many of them. Okay, so very quickly I will look for one that I will use. Okay, let's say anyone from this list. You can go ahead and use it. Okay, all you need to do is scroll through and select anyone you want to use. All right, and now let's scroll through and just anyone. I'll just pick anyone, but there's one I like using for classes. Okay, because it's beautiful, it's elegant. Okay, let me say this doctor's office. Okay, yeah, it's here. So I will open doctor's office. Look at the list of templates that they have under the doctor's office. Now we have doctor's office, service page, landing page, home page. Okay, let's go ahead and install and pick this, the landing page. Okay, I just clicked it and click open. All right, and here I will click import Divi builder layout. All right, it's installing. All right, so I will have to pause the video and allow it to finish the installation. All right, I will see it's installing. It's almost done. It's almost done. I have to continue with the video, so we'll see what will happen. Okay, now it's running by itself automatically. I have not touched anything, so you just have to wait for it this way. Okay, all right, now we have it here. We've imported the doctor's office landing page here. So the next thing we are going to do is to create a page. Okay, we'll create like a home page, that first page. Okay, and we'll now link it to connect it to this one, and that's all. All right, now let's go to page. To create a page, we'll come here, click add new page. If you remember in the previous videos, I have there were some sample pages that were deleted. Okay, so now we are going to create our fresh page now, and the fresh page is going to be home page. All right, okay, all right, so this is where what you see on your screen. We'll have to close this one up. Okay, then we'll now add our title. Let's say our title, like I said before, now home. Okay, then after you've entered the title, you don't need to enter anything here, because displays the layout that we excuse me, uploaded that we're going to be using will fill it out for you. So all you need to do is just create the page, write home, and click publish. Okay, and publish again. Okay, now we publish the page. So the next thing we are going to do is to click use the Divi builder. We're going to be using the Divi builder, and you click this one again, edit with the Divi builder. All right, I just clicked it again. So since we are using the Divi theme, we're using Divi layout or templates, all we need to do is to use the same Divi builder to build our page. All right, okay, so let's wait for the page to load. When it's done loading, we will continue. All right, and it's loading. Can you see this thing? Yeah, it shows that the page is loading. It's loading the Divi builder for you. Okay, with that Divi builder, everything will be easy, and like it's a visual building tool. Anywhere you want to build on the page, just click on it and you change the values. You want to customize anything at all, just click on it and change the values. All right, so at times if it's the first time that you are using it, you get this thing here, like you should start building or you take a tour. So let you start building. We'll not take any tour right now. Okay, I'll just click start building. Right now it's going to open the website the way it will look like, and that's the place that we're going to start building and customizing our website. All right, the next video interface or screen that comes up is this very one that we're looking at right now. Now we're going to choose from a pre-made layout, which we have already uploaded a layout. All right, if you remember in this video. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'll click this middle one, because our intention now is to link our page, our home page, to that doctor's office landing page layout. Okay, that's what we are going to be doing here. All right, then this very window that you're seeing interface will be displayed for us. Then the next thing you do is you click this middle one, this middle tab here, your saved layout. All right, it will not take us here. This is what we uploaded that time, doctor's office landing page. So all you need to do is just click on it, and that's all. What is happening right now is the home page that you created is being linked to that layout, so that the next time that we browse to the home page, all we are going to see is the landing page, that doctor's office landing page, that layout that we actually uploaded. Now this is it. This is our beautiful site. It's still loading. It's still coming up. Still coming up. All right. It's still coming up. So let's wait for the page to be done with the loading. Okay, and we'll now continue. Okay, the page is done loading. You can imagine the beautiful website that we are having here. Look at it. Look at it. So all we need to do now is to click save. Right now at this point, let me move this video up this way. All right, and let me close this. Okay, look at this button. It's saved, so I will click save. All right, because if you don't click save, no effect will be done to the home page that you just created. And if maybe on your own system you're not seeing this save, all you need to do is just press your Ctrl and your S key on your keyboard, and the button will surface. All right, so at this point I will bring the video to an end here, and in the next video we're going to continue from where we just stopped. Thank you.